Okay, picture this. You wake up tomorrow and Earth is 5 times whiter. Same rock, same iron, same recipe, just blown up to 5 times the diameter. Sounds like an upgrade, right? More land, more oceans, room for everyone. Here's the catch nobody mentions. Make a planet 5 times wider, but keep it the same stuff, and the mass doesn't grow a little. It grows with volume, with the cube of width. 5 times wider means 5 times 5 times 5, 125 times the mass. That's our starting assumption, the popular one. A rocky super Earth packing 125 Earths of material. Hold that number in your head, because everything that follows tumbles out of it like dominoes. And the very first domino is gravity. It's about to get personal, and your body is going to feel every bit of it. So how hard does Big Earth pull? Gravity is mass divided by radius squared. You've got 125 times the mass, but only 25 times the radius squared. So 125 over 25 lands you at 5 times Earth's gravity, 5G. Suddenly, you, a normal 70 kilos, effectively weigh around 350. That's like strapping 3 grown adults onto your back and being told to stand up straight all day, forever. Every step is a squat. Lifting your arm drags like it's underwater. Even your chest fights 5 times its weight just to breathe. And a simple trip becomes a crash because any fall hits with 5 times the energy. Pilots black out under sustained 5G in centrifuges after a few seconds. You'd live in it permanently. Tall, upright, fragile creatures like us, we're really not built for this place. But maybe something else could be. Now look around, and it's eerie. No towering peaks, no dramatic cliffs, because that same crushing gravity flattens everything. A mountain is just rock holding itself up, and rock only has so much strength. Crank gravity to 5 times, and that rock can stack only about a fifth as high before it crushes under its own weight. Everest, nearly 9 kilometers here, would top out around 1.5 kilometers over there. The Himalayas become gentle hills. And remember, this planet has 25 times Earth's surface area, 13 billion square kilometers, but almost no vertical relief. Spread your water across all that, and you don't get dramatic coastlines. You get vast, shallow, near-global seas broken by low, smooth land. Whatever lives here matches it. Squat, thick-limbed, low to the ground. Bones over twice as thick. No giraffes, no towering trees. Life would hug the dirt. Look up, and the sky is wrong too. The same gravity yanking your bones is yanking the atmosphere, packing it into a thin, dense shell hugging the ground. There's a number for how fast air thins with altitude, the scale height. And here, it drops about 5-fold, from 8.5 kilometers to under 2. So the air gets thick and heavy at your feet, pressure at least 5 times what you feel now, then thins out fast as you climb. You're breathing soup at the bottom of a shallow ocean of air. And here's the sneaky part that comes back to bite. This gravity grips gas so hard, it barely lets any escape, not even the light stuff, the hydrogen and helium that Earth slowly leaks to space. Big Earth hoards all of it and keeps pulling in more. The atmosphere isn't just denser, it's thicker and more stubborn. Hold that thought. Okay, you've had enough. You want off this rock. Bad news. Big Earth is a trap, and the cage is gravity itself. To leave, you have to outrun it, and that bar is escape velocity. Here, it climbs to about 5 times Earth's, 56 kilometers per second, instead of 11. Just reaching orbit needs 45 to 50 versus the 9.5 we already strained to hit. Now, feed that into the rocket equation, the ruthless math of how much fuel you need. On Earth, a rocket is roughly 8 parts fuel to 1 part everything else. Here, that ratio explodes into the tens of thousands. Your rocket becomes basically 100% propellant, with nothing left for the ship. No chemical rocket, no fuel we know, no number of stages ever leaves the ground. The gravity that flattened you and crushed your sky just locked the only door. But it's worse than locked. Because here's the twist. That walkable super-Earth probably never existed. We assumed same density all the way up, but real walk and iron don't sit politely. Pile on 125 Earths, and the whole thing crushes itself inward. Instead of 5 times wider, it squashes to about 3.7, which means gravity isn't 5G, it's closer to 9. To genuinely be 5 times wide as solid rock, you need around 400 Earths and a bone-crushing 15G. So everything we just described was the gentle version. And the final blow? A planet that massive, gripping gas so tight it won't let even hydrogen go, doesn't stay rocky at all. It hoards a thick, choking envelope of hydrogen and helium and slides toward a mini Neptune. No shoreline, no summit, no solid ground. Just crushing haze going down forever. So tell me, with nowhere to stand and no sky to escape through, would you still want Earth 5 times bigger? This has been Duck Fiction Lab.